Hey there, dryer warriors. If you're staring at that pesky error code PF on your Maytag dryer and wondering what to do next, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll troubleshoot and fix it step by step, so you can get back to your laundry in no time. First off, let's understand what error code PF means. It typically stands for power failure, which happens when there's an interruption in power to your dryer. This could be from a blackout, a tripped circuit, or even a loose connection. The good news is, it's often an easy fix. Before we dive in, safety first. Always unplug your dryer or turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Got it? Great. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes. This gives the system a chance to reset. While it's unplugged, take a moment to inspect the power cord for any damage, like frayed wires or bends. If everything looks okay, plug it back in and try turning it on. If that doesn't do the trick, head to your circuit breaker panel. Locate the breaker for your dryer, it might be labeled, and flip it off and then back on. This resets any tripped circuits. Now, power up your dryer again and see if the error code has vanished. Still seeing PF? It's time to check the outlet itself. Plug in another device to ensure it's working properly. If the outlet is fine, there might be an issue with the dryer's internal components, like a faulty control board or wiring. In that case, you might need to call a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty. Once it's fixed, keep an eye on your dryer's performance and consider using a surge protector to prevent future power issues. There you have it. Your Maytag dryer should be error-free and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy fixing!